Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Me here, Fatma. Today we discussed about important general knowledge MCQs. These MCQs are important for your competitive exams and one paper. The South Pole of the Earth is located in Norway, Antarctica, Arctic Ocean, none of these. The correct answer is Antarctica. This is the picture. You can see Pakistan played first 20 इंटरनेशनल मैच अगेंस्ट विच कंट्री? ऑस्ट्रेलिया, इंडिया, इंग्लैंड. जो पहला जो मैच था इंटरनेशनल मैच अगेंस्ट विच कंट्री, तो वो इंग्लैंड के साथ है. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQ एंड repeated MCQs. The Siwa Oasis is located in Iraq, Egypt, UAE. UAE meaning United States America, or Iran. The correct answer is Egypt. United Nations Chinese Language Day is observed annually on dash 15th April, 17th April, 20th April, none of these. The correct answer is 20th April. Donbass is a disputed region between Greece, Turkey, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Russia and Ukraine. The correct answer is Russia and Ukraine. HRCP stands for. इसमें ना बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. जब पेपर आता है तो कुछ लगा देते हैं ह्यूमन राइट्स कमेटी ऑफ पाकिस्तान. माय डियर, ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन पाकिस्तान, क्योंकि हम लोग ऑफ पाकिस्तान हम लोग HRCP की बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, कॉन्फ्रेंस पे भी लगाते हैं कुछ स्टूडेंट्स, कुछ कमेटी भी लगाते हैं, तो कमीशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान है. NCOC स्टैंड्स फॉर National Coordination and Operation Center, National Command and Operation Center, National Control and Operation Center, National Center for Operation and Coordination. The correct answer is National Command and Operation Center. Where is Katpana Desert located? Katpana Desert कहाँ पे located है? स्कर्दू, पाकिस्तान में. The correct answer is स्कर्दू and Pakistan. What is the highest height of दिमार बाशा डैम? ठीक है, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs है, तो ये पूछा जा सकता है कि कितनी हाइट पे बाशा डैम जो है वो है, तो वो 272 मीटर. हाउ मैनी इस्लामिक रिपब्लिक्स आर देयर इन वर्ल्ड? 3, 4, 5, 2. द करेक्ट आंसर इज 4. In which the following year the holy month of Ramzan is expected to occur twice? मतलब कि साल में 2 दफ़ा जब रमज़ान आएगा, वो कौन सा है? तो वो 2030 है. शाहीन एयरलाइन इज़ द एयरलाइन ऑफ पाकिस्तान. ट्रांसफ़र एयरलाइन. अच्छा, समटाइम ना TWA ही पूछा जाता है, आगे उसके नहीं दी जाती, पूरी एब्रिविएशंस नहीं दी जाती. तो आपने TWA एयरलाइन याद रखनी चाहिए, वो है किसकी? USA. TWA airline is the USA. SI is the airline of which country? Singapore. Leonardo da Vinci is airport of Italy. Leonardo da Vinci is the airport of Italy. निकी, ये बहुत आता है MCQs के. निकी किसका स्टॉक एक्सचेंज इंडेक्स है? वो है टोक्यो का. Which country has maximum languages? South Africa, Papua New Guinea, United States, France. The correct answer is Papua New Guinea. In which country Great Buddha of Camargo located? Russia, Indonesia, Japan, China. The correct answer is Japan. In which city of Russia St. Basil's Cathedral is located? Moscow, Nizhny, St. Borders, none of these. The correct answer is Moscow. The width of Suez Canal is 205 m, 210 m, 215 m, none of them. The correct answer is 205 m. Neom city is located on the coasts of sea: Persian Gulf, Gulf of Oman, Dead Sea या Red Sea. Correct answer is the Red Sea. Meaning of Neom. अब ये दोनों MCQs बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं. Meaning of Neom, the name of new proposed smart city in Saudi Arabia. New Future. The line is proposed smart city in Saudi Arabia is located in the area of Tabuk. कौन सा एरिया हमारे पास आता है? वो Tabuk. The line is proposed smart city in Saudi Arabia is located in the area of तो वो सॉरी रिपीटेड हो गया. द इम्पॉर्टेंट माउंटेन्स ऑफ यूरोप इंक्लूड Andes, Alps, ये Pyrenees, Alps, Carpathians, Pyrenees, Apennines. The correct answer is Alps, Carpathians, Pyrenees, and Apennines. Florida State is located between Japan and Korea, Cuba and Bahamas, Italy and Sicily. None of these. The correct answer is Cuba and Bahamas. Which land of country is below the sea level? Netherlands, Iceland, Belgium, Germany. Land of country is below the sea level is the Netherlands. The next MCQ is the country also known as the country of copper is Zimbabwe, Zambia, China, none of these. The correct answer is Zambia. Which country has an unwritten constitution? England, US, Australia, none of these. The correct answer is England. These are the today important MCQs about general knowledge. You have to subscribe my channel. If any query, if any question, any worries, any difficulty, you may ask in the inbox. Thank you so much.